Wanda Realm Wuhan. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Wuhan. Conveniently located just a 10-minute walk from Chuhehan Street Subway Station, Wanda Realm features upscale accommodations with free Wi-Fi. Blending in by splashing around in the indoor pool, lazing in the soothing massage and pampering sauna, or playing in the games room seems like a nice getaway. A business with meeting and banquet facilities are available for business travelers. Free private parking is possible. Perfect location in Wuhan, close to East Lake and Shopping Street Wuhan. Wanda Realm is a modern hotel. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Beautiful interior, good location, good breakfast, comfortable bed. Staff really helpful. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.